The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for St. Charles County, St. Louis County, until 7:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:54 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near St. Louis City, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near St. Louis City around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:24 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Missouri, St. Charles and St. Louis.